Hey, what's up everybody? My name's Tobias and today I have an unboxing and review of this fast 20-watt wall charger for smartphones, tablets, etc. This charger has both a lightning port and a USB-C port, and it should also include a USB-C to lightning cable. It goes for $16.95 on Amazon, and I'll go ahead and put the link to this Amazon page down in the description below in case you would like to check it out for yourself. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it, then I'll test it out, and in the end I'll give you guys my final review. Okay guys, let's see what we got here. We'll go ahead and open this up. Alright, so right here we have the wall charger, and on the, oh wait, where is it? Inside we have the USB-C to lightning cable. Let's go ahead and take this packaging stuff off. And this is awesome guys. So the interesting thing about this charger, or I guess I should say the thing that makes it unique, is that you can plug it in like this. So you go ahead and plug the USB-C cable in, and then you can charge an iPhone. But then what you can do is you can switch it around. So you unplug the USB-C, you plug in the lightning end, and now you can charge like an Android phone with the USB-C end. So that's pretty cool. And I just want to comment on the cable really quick. The cable has a pretty good feel to it. It feels like it's a good cable. Anyways guys, let's go ahead and test this thing out. Okay guys, so I have my phone plugged in now, 85% charged. It's 146, 85% charged. Let's see how fast it charges my phone to 100%. All right guys, check it out. My phone is now 100% charged. It is 2:59, meaning that it took about an hour and 15 minutes to charge my phone from 85% to 100%. I initially thought that it was taking a really long time to charge, so I thought maybe something was wrong with the outlet that I was using, but then I switched to another outlet, as you can see here, and it was still charging at the same rate. Okay guys, we're going to try this again. So this phone is currently at a 10% battery, and we're gonna go ahead and plug it in, and we're gonna see how long it takes to get to 100%. So it's right now 12:26. Let's see how long it takes to get, I don't know, to 50% or 80%, whatever. Okay guys, so now it's 1:06 and we are 70% charged. So in about 40 minutes, we went from 10% to 70%, which is pretty fast. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and move on to my final review of this charger, and I'm going to explain what I just showed you guys. So in the first scene where I was charging my iPhone, what I did not know about this charger is that what happens is it charges very quickly from anywhere between 0% and 80%. I didn't know this. I started charging my phone at 85%. As you saw, my phone had 85% battery before I started charging it, and it took over an hour to reach 100%. After that happened, I messaged the Amazon seller and I asked why it took so long to charge my phone. They told me that this is a fast charger from 0% to 80%. After 80%, I guess there's like a chip in here or something that senses when your phone's battery reaches 80%, and then the charger instinctively slows down as to not damage your phone's battery. I had no idea that a charger could damage your phone's battery, but that's what they were telling me. So then in the second clip that I showed you, I went and borrowed my sister's phone because she only had 10% battery on her phone. And sure enough, when I charged her phone, it went from 10% all the way to 70% in I believe it was 40 minutes. So that charged really quick. And then to reach the full 100% from like 70% to 100%, it took like over another hour. So yeah guys, this charger charges slow. Once you get to 80% and above, it charges extremely slow, but up until 80%, it charges very fast. So I just wanted to mention that really quick because I was super confused when I first charged my phone with it. I thought there was something wrong with the charger, but that actually is how this charger was designed to be. So anyways, guys, fast charger, yes, very fast charger from 0 to 80%. I think it's really cool how you can charge both an Android device and an iPhone with the same charging cable. I think that's super cool as well. The cost of this charger was, I believe it was $16.95. yeah, I would say it's probably worth that price. I don't see why it wouldn't be, but I would love to hear what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think about this charger down in the comments below. I would love to hear your opinions. Once again, I will have the Amazon link for this charger down in the description below in case you would like to check it out for yourself. If you did like this video or if it helped you out, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. If you would like to see more videos by me in the future, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also that bell notifications button. If you would like to follow me on Instagram, I'll go ahead and put my handle right here. I do have a main YouTube channel. I'll go ahead and put the link to that channel down in the description below as well. On my main channel, I'm building a koi pond in my backyard. If you think that sounds cool, make sure to check that out, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Peace!